Good morning, traders. Today I'm going to be talking about candlesticks. Okay, so quickly, if you look at my chart, you notice that my time frame is set to M1. Okay, so I've got M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, and the rest of them. Okay, so M1 means at the end of every 1 minute, a new candlestick starts to form. Okay, so if you look at my chart right now, you notice that another candlestick just started forming right now. Okay, so the candlesticks originated from Japan. So sometimes you hear Japanese candlesticks. So when you hear Japanese candlesticks, don't think it's something different from what you're seeing on my screen right now. All right, so every candlestick you see has 4 parameters, okay, which is the opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and the closing price, abbreviated as OHLC. Okay, so the OHLC of each candlestick is displayed at the top left hand corner of my screen. If I raise my cursor up to that level, you can see at this top left hand corner of my screen, you can see the candlestick parameters right there, okay, indicating from this left hand side, this first section of numbers is the opening price, this second set of numbers is the highest price reached, this third set of numbers is the lowest price, and then the last set of numbers is the closing price, which is OHLC, like I said previously. Okay, so if I point my cursor on this candle right now, this green candle that I just finished right now, you find out that the numbers above there displays these parameters for each candle. I'm going to do a little write-up concerning these parameters so that you have a clearer picture of what I'm trying to describe. But as I hover my cursor on each candlestick, you find out that those numbers above are changing, okay, because each candlestick has its own different parameters. As you can see, I have more and more candlesticks forming on my screen. Okay, so if you look at the candle, okay, for instance, let me use this one as an example. Let me use this green candle right here as an example. Okay, so I'm quickly zoom in so that you can see the candle clearly. Okay, so this green candlestick right here where my cursor is right now, okay, let's use this candlestick as a little example. Okay, so this is the starting point of this candle, this place where my cursor is right now. Okay, this level is the starting level of this candlestick, and as you can see, it's written above as the opening price, 1.12223, right there. Okay, this is the opening price. If you go up a little bit, that is the closing price. Okay, this place right here, 1.12227, right there, is the closing price of this candle, which is also indicated. If you look, OHLCDC, which is the closing price, is indicated above there. Okay, so this level right here, where this wick is, you can see a tiny wick from the bottom of the candle coming out right there to this level, which is 1.12218, right there. That is the lowest level reached by that candle. Okay, it started here, okay, it went down maybe to this level or thereabouts. Okay, went down. That was why it left a trace right there. By the wick, you know where it reached. Okay, and this is the level where it reached, then reversed up to this level. Okay, and then even higher up to this level. You see, that's the highest point reached for this candle, and right there, 1.12238 or thereabout. Okay, that is the highest level reached for that candle, okay, by this particular green candle. After reaching this highest point, it withdrew down to this level, okay, before closing, and then this other green candlestick started forming. Okay, I'm still going to do a write-up so that you're going to get a clear picture of what I'm trying to say. But as you can see, this current candle right now that is forming, you can see how the price is fluctuating. Okay, it has gone down to this level, okay, and you can see it has retracted up to this level. So wherever it retracts from, you find out that it leaves a wick behind, okay, as you're looking at my screen live, you can see this particular candlestick that is forming. As it's retracting, is leaving behind its trace. Okay, those traces are the wicks. Okay, while the body of the candle, which is the solid figure you're seeing, indicates the opening and the closing price. Then the wicks, like this point right now, is going to be the lowest point for this particular candle. And if it happens to go up, okay, it just closed. As you can see, that's the closing price. Another candlestick has started forming. It pulled up a little bit, okay, and now it's pulling down. You can see it just went down, left a wick, which is a trace, and now is pulling up. I'm sorry about that interruption. And now it's pulling up. As you can see, now it's becoming a green candle. So if it's going up, it's a green candle, and if it's falling down, it's a red candle. I'm still going to do more write-ups on that, so you have a clearer picture of what I'm trying to say. But looking at this candle, you find out that as it's going higher, it's a green candle, and as it's dropping, is a red candle. You can see this one is pulling higher and higher, and if it retracts from that high point, it leaves a wick behind. You can see where the wick is right now. If it gets there, it's falling back, but as it's dropping, it's leaving a wick behind as a trace. So that's what we call candle wicks. Another candle just started forming right now, and that's the lovely thing about trading. So in my next video, I'm going to record how to use candlestick patterns to find out when to get into a trade in the market. Okay, you can use these candlestick formations to find out when best to buy and when best